Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I have begun an Excel shortcut keys tutorial series. In this tutorial, we shall cover Excel workbook shortcut keys. The other shortcut keys will be covered in future tutorials, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out. Generally, shortcut keys will boost your productivity and save your precious time and energy. So let's begin. Right now, we are in this workbook, Excel workbook shortcut keys. To open a new workbook, press Ctrl plus N. A new workbook, book 10, has been opened. To open an existing workbook, press Ctrl plus O. So these are some of the existing workbooks in my computer, including the ones that I have recently used. To go to the Data tab, press Alt plus A. And here it is, as you can see. To go to the View tab, press Alt plus W. There you go. To go to the Formula tab, press Alt plus M. And here is the Formula tab. To go to the Home tab, press Alt plus H. So you can see we're in the Home tab. To go to the Insert tab, press Alt plus N. There you go. To go to the Page Layout tab, press Alt plus P. Very easy, here's the Page Layout tab. To open the File tab, press Alt plus F. There you go, we have these options in the File tab menu. To open the context menu, press Shift plus F10. And here is the context menu. So at the moment we are in Sales worksheet. To move to the next worksheet, which is Employees, press Ctrl plus Page Down. There you go, we are in Employees worksheet now. To move to the previous worksheet, which is Sales, press Ctrl plus Page Up. And you are back to the previous worksheet, which is Sales worksheet. To save a workbook that has not been previously saved, press Ctrl plus S. And there you go, you can save in the location that you want to save it. To close the current workbook, which in this case is attendance register, press Ctrl plus W, and then you can decide whether to save the changes or not. To close Excel, press Ctrl plus F4. And there you go. So you can see Excel worksheets have been closed and the menu tabs up here have been disabled. As you can see, all of them are grayed, which means they are inactive. So that's it about our today's tutorial. Stop being mean to yourself and subscribe to our channel for the upcoming tutorials on Excel shortcut keys plus other tutorials covering other topics. So see you in our next tutorial. Bye.